Welcome to YouTube. Today I'm going to try out my homemade boat. I picked up a piece of styrofoam that was 6 inches deep by 3 foot wide by 6 foot long. I encased it in plastic panels. I reinforced some of the styrofoam. I put a seat on it. You see the whole picture. I'm going to try it out for the first time today, see if it's going to float and see if it's going to do what I need it to do without tipping over. I also installed wheels on the rear of this so I don't have to carry it. I can just roll it into the water. Who says the boat cannot have wheels? Anyway, here we go. I put some bags on the side of the seats. They're makeup bags from the Dollar Tree, but you know, had to improvise. Something beats nothing. I installed snaps on it so I can remove them from my seat when I need to. Anyway, here we go. Roll it into the water. So far, so good. Now the mounting, hope like heck it doesn't sink. Mounting wasn't too bad. Give it a little shove off. So far, so good. A little bit farther so the trolling motor will clear the weeds.
Is it okay if we go around your camera, or do you don't have to wait?
I'm just going to come to shore one more second because I got to turn my camera off.
Okay. He's coming in, he's going to turn his camera off. There's a pair of sunglasses in there you can wear if you want it. Thank you.
Had to cut the video short.